text. Now this is a plate number. These are plate numbers, and generally in plate number, this is the first three digits in a plate number stands for local government. Stands for local government. So this should be LGA. This is Koshofe local government for those of us in Lagos. This is Agege local government. This is Ikewise Ibejuleki local government. This is Ikeja local government. This is Ojo local government. So those are the first three letters in a plate number signify local government. Local government area where the vehicle was registered. Then the second, the digits in the plate number represent series, and then the batch they represent just like in this local government, this series, what batch are they? So that to confirm that no car has two plate numbers. So that's just basically the idea behind plate number. And now let's assume we have series of plate number. I want to extract their local government. We want to extract their local government. And just we have left, middle, and right functions that are text. I've showed us the text function, but we have other functions like left, middle, and right. This one is very simple. You can just click on the text. You see, you have text and you have number of characters. So you click on the text. And one thing I want us to understand is that in Excel, once you are saying the conditions, they'll give you conditions. The first condition is always mandatory or someone. But if you see a condition that is in bracket, in square bracket, just like number of characters, that means it is an optional condition. You might leave it, you might not add it. If you didn't add this optional condition, it will only extract the first number, which is K. You will extract the first number. But because you want to extract the first three digits, so you put a condition, comma 3, because you want to extract the number of characters. Number of characters. So how many number of characters you want to extract from the left hand side of the text? So that's 3. So extract the first 3. Then you can autofill just like that, simple. Then if you want to extract the series also, this is middle. Now this one, you notice that this one does not have a square bracket because all the arguments, they are necessary for mid function to work. And if you open our function arguments, you can read more on what the function argument does. It says it removes character from the middle of a text string, given the starting position and length. So what text do you want to remove? You want to remove from this text. Also, what number did you want to start from? Now, plate number, like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's we are starting from the 5th number. We are starting from the 5th number. So we should all take that into consideration because the 5th digit or the fifth character here is where our number starts from. So we are starting from the 5th. The 5th, which is 6, because if you count K is 1, S is 2, F is 3, hyphen is 4, and 6 is 5. So we are starting from the 5th number. And how many number of characters do you want to extract from that 5th number? How many number of characters do you want to extract from that 5th number? How many characters from 5th? You want to extract the 5th, you want to extract the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th. So that is 3 characters. So you just say 3. And you can see it here. It has shown us what we are extracting, 622. So in case you didn't get it, in case you added 2, you see that it's only showing 622. But we are extracting 3, which is 622. So our formula result will be 622. And that is right, which is the series. Then you can just drag down because they are all relative functions. And you can do the right. I'll leave the right for you to do. The right is the series with the batch, which are AE, XA, BS, and DG and HS. So I'll leave that for you to do. I want to do now. This one was easy because every one of them are on the same. They have the same format, like a plate number has the same format actually. But suppose that before that you have a series of plate number that includes Nigerian plate numbers, both new and old. I hope we all know that the plate numbers for Nigeria changed some years ago, and there's an old format they use whereby the local government is the last set of numbers that's come. So previously, the local government is not the first characters in the plate number. So assuming you have something like this, and you want to extract just before and after. Let's say this is the local government and you want to extract the after of it. So I think the normal plate number was just like this. So there are two functions to use for this. Yes, you can do it normally and say okay, equals to left, sorry, equals to left, then you choose it and say 2. That is BA. But if you drag it, it is not consistent, and you don't want to come here and turn this to 3 also. You don't want to come here and turn this to 3 and be doing it one after the other. So a quick formula to deal with that is length and search. Use the length and search function. So some people are length and search. Can just say length. What does length does? Length counts number in a character. That's what length does. It counts number in a character. So this is the formula for length. Length and the text. Just take this character, then enter. It counts it. Now you have 9 digits here. If you scroll it down, you have 9, 9, 9, 10. So the number of digits are not even the same. This is length. If you want to search, the search function, you just search for just find a text. Find text. This is the text you want to find. Then what do you want to find in that text? What do you want to find in that text? You want to find for that hyphen, and it is a string. And in Excel, to represent a string that is a letter, you have to put these quotation marks, a string. Then you can close brackets and find what is happening. Find text, yes, within text, okay. So we close the listing. So I'm sorry. This is supposed to be the hyphen. That's the text you want to find. And this is supposed to be the text you want to find it from. So thank you. So that's it. Silly mistakes. So you can just drag it, and then now you can see that it's showing you the index number. You can just call it index number. In Python, we'll call it index number. It's showing you the index position of where that character you are looking for, which is the hyphen character R. The hyphen character in this place is in index 3. The hyphen character here is in index 4. The hyphen character is in index 4. The hyphen character is in index 3. So something like that. So now with this, you can extract your before hyphen and after hyphen. So you can just say for before, you can just say left. You want to use the left function. This text, you want to extract this text. What do you want to extract from this text? Let's do it in the formula bar. What do you want to extract from this text? Number of character, but we don't know the position where our distance is. Are you with me? We don't know the position because we don't know if it is the first 2 we want to extract or the first 3. So we want to search. So you now say search. We want to search for where hyphen is. We want to search for this hyphen. Are you with me? Then in that same text, then close brackets, search. And you know that search this function, this formula here is same thing with this formula. This formula that I've written here is same with the formula in this box. Hope you know that. And this formula will give you 3. This formula, it will give us 3 because that is where our hyphen is. If I close this bracket now, it will include the distance. Let me just show you. It will include the hyphen. It will include the hyphen. It will include the hyphen. Are you with me? But we don't want the hyphen. So you now add -1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. -1. So you have only BA. So that's why you must be mathematically inclined to be able to do that analysis. I hope you are with me. So left, that's just it. Then you drag it. You see that it will extract every other thing. After it's a bit technical, you can say right. You want to extract from the right. Then the text, you want to extract from. Then the number of characters. But now you can't just extract the number of characters after, because it is after. You are looking for after. So you want to extract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is 6. We want to extract the 6th. This thing. So now, how do we know the 6th? So you can just say length. You can just say length minus search, and length minus search will give you 6. If you look at this too, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 digits after the after. That means length minus search will give you 5. So you can just say length of text minus close brackets minus search of what do you want to search for, comma, that text, close bracket. Okay, there's an error because I didn't close the second bracket, but automatically Excel will close it for me. So that's just it. So you can just drag it down and you have the rest. So that's just about text functions. So this is basically about text functions.